Hello viewers, my name is Michael Ademola. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create beautiful and attractive text animation using the Legend mobile app. The app is fast and easy and doesn't require so much technical or design skill. But before I go on, don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on your notification button, and if you have any question or suggestion, please drop it in our comment section. And we are also available on every other social platform at Michrotec. Thank you. So the app looks like this. The Legend app, that's the icon. So quickly we're going in. Once you open the app, this is the interface you get. The first thing you should do is to type in the phrase. But before I go on, I want to explain the interface. If you look at the bottom, you see a number 100. There signifies the total or maximum amount of character allowed in this app for a particular text animation, so you can't exceed that number. This button here signifies that if you want to quickly take a shot and use it as a background for your text animation, you press that button and the camera app will open. If you already have an image in your device, you can quickly upload that image to the Legend app and use it as a background, clicking on that button. But if you don't want to use your camera or upload an existing image in your phone and you want to search it online, there's an inbuilt online image library which you can use by clicking on that search icon. Once you're done with all that, you can click on the play button to open the interface where you select the particular animation you need to use. If you make any mistake and you choose to start all over, click on the bin button and that will take you back to the start. So quickly, let's type in a phrase. I will advise you use a very short text or sentence, as short as possible. So this is what we are going to use. I am a phrase in motion. Once you are done with your text, click on the play button at the center and something like this opens up. An interface opens up that allows you to choose the background color or a particular animation. This first line here makes you select the animation. There are different animations, so you pick one. The second line allows you to pick the color you intend using. This button allows you to export your video to Messenger app. If you want to extend it to other apps such as Facebook, WhatsApp and so on, you can use this button. But if you want to just save the video to your device, then you use the download button. This button here allows you to select the format you intend using. Are you saving the video as GIF or as a video, a normal MP4 video? What resolution do you intend using? Is it 512 or 720 pixel or 1080 pixel? What format or what shape do you want the video to take, square or landscape? You choose that here. So let's quickly look at the examples of color. So you can see, make sure you pick a color that is suitable for your text and that makes your text very obvious, especially if you are using a background, but we're not using any background. So once you have a color that is suitable for you, the next thing you do should be picking a particular animation that is more suitable for you. So there are as many animations as possible. Go ahead and pick the one that is best for you. Once you are done, click on the download button at the bottom and your video will be downloaded to you either as a GIF or as an MP4 video in few seconds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button. Till we see you again in the next video. Thank you.